In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Swissquote. So if you are inside their web trader over here, the CFXD, you could go to your profile number over here up top right and click on Support Hub, or you could just go to their website over here where you can see this button down at the bottom right, which is basically the chat. So to actually contact them, by far the easiest way is to just click on this chat box and then start the chat by accepting and continuing, and then it's going to ask you how it can help you. Just tell it, hey, can I please talk to a real person, okay, or something like that. Talk to support, live agent, whatever, and then click on send over here, and it's going to say yes, it's going to connect you, but of course first it's going to require some of your info. As you can see here, there we go, it's going to say you can reach a live agent via our live chat from Monday to Friday between 8 and 17:30 CET, and then here it's going to say please note that the live chat is available for general questions about our products and services and does not have access to personal account info. So here to start a live chat, you simply have to type in agent in the chat window. So if you want that, just type in agent and it's going to basically start the chat with the agent, or you can also contact them by phone via this number over here. So just type in agent, go ahead and get started, provide some of your info required to actually solve your case, and you'll be able to get in touch with them that way. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.